How y'all doing, folks? When I first made it, I used a 2.5-inch screws to put in there, but I don't want to use that anymore. And this is a little bit too weak for something like this. You want to be sturdy, so I'm gonna put a 3.5-inch screws. What I'm gonna do too, you pre-drill your screws, your holes. So I come in here like that, and I go in there and slide, and bring that back out. And like that, I'm sure I can have a good amount of strength into this wood. I have enough meat to get in there. And like that, let's make it sturdy. I can put 3 in there and 1 in there, and that's that. So I do the same thing with the top. Take the screw out, the one that I put in. Like I said, these are too weak for this kind of wood. You want something more sturdy. I always pre-drill the holes so you can get a good force in there. Like this won't, you won't have no problem out of this. Alright, like that, it should be solid. I could leave the 2N one right there. That ain't gonna really be no thing, but that won't be a problem. So I can do that with this side, and I'll do it with the next side. So that make sure that this is more sturdy. I guess it would, but yeah, I can live with that. I know one thing, that ain't gonna be moving. That's solid. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish, put the rest of it together. It won't take long.